guys, Whitney back again, and today we're going to talk about the Super Affiliate Academy. It's a school group all about affiliate marketing, really awesome group. As you can see, it has 5,800 members, and it's a free group, worth checking out. It's right now sitting at number 34 on the money category for school, which is really awesome, and it keeps moving up every day. There's so much engagement in the group that is really starting to skyrocket. So, clicking on here, you'll go into the Super Affiliate Academy. Here you can see an intro video, and then to get a little bit more about what the group is all about. The number one affiliate community on the planet, make money anywhere in the world. No need to make products or do support. And then you can read a little bit more about it. They give you daily video updates, done for you step-by-step processes, exclusive strategies, monthly recurring commissions. Biggest thing is networking. There's over 5,000 people in this group, and a lot of them have seven-figure earners. So this is a group to be in and to network in. And the best part, it's free. So we're going to go take a look inside. So I just wanted to show you the About page first. So next we go to inside the group. You can see here, this is a little bit of the layout. You have community, you have classroom, you have calendar, members. The new school feature is the map, and which is a really cool feature. I'll get to that in a minute. Leaderboards, and then again the About section. So first we got the community, and as you can see, this is where everybody posts, where they make their updates. They make daily video updates. Just saying what's on tap, what's going on. And then as you can see, you go through, people are just posting, making comments, asking questions. This is a really, really involved group, high engagement rates. So this is the community. It goes on for pages and pages. Pretty much anything you can think of, we've probably discussed in this group already. I've been a member probably since July of last year. I'm going strong. I'll show you my chart here in a minute. The next thing we're looking at is the classroom. So let's click on the classroom. Here we go. Internet's a little slow. Sorry about that. So you have start here, the roadmap. This is really awesome because if you click here, it kind of tells you how to get started. You have welcome to the SAA roadmap. Start here. Kind of goes into it, gives you a little history about Super Affiliate Academy, and then become a level 2 and make an intro post. So it kind of tells you the template for the induction post and how to get there. So then we go back, we got the SAA strategies. You got all the strategies. They go into what is affiliate marketing, low, high ticket, and recurring affiliate commissions. Where do we find the best products? Then we talk about mindset, which is really huge, and that's one of my things, is mindset, the psychology behind affiliate marketing. You have the action taker strategy. You have the affiliate program, which is new to school as well. Really awesome. So you should definitely look into that too. How to promote it correctly, and then you kind of go through the strategies: lead hacker, growth hacker. Talk about Facebook, relationship booster, Facebook. Talk about faceless YouTube videos, secret presentation hacks, YouTube Crusher, Canva domination, Schoolify sales machine, PDF. It just goes on and on. Sora. So now they have the school map domination, which is one of their newest courses, which I'll show you the map function here in a minute. They go through the elite software, so you can join here to find out about it. Advanced scaling tactics, you have to upgrade. And here's the school map domination. So this group is loaded with just courses to go through, and it really gives you a good foundation for affiliate marketing. And you don't have to necessarily, market their stuff. You can market anything with this. It just really gives you that foundation. So next we have the calendar. As you can see, they have events scheduled. You can log in, listen to. Um, Sorry about that, guys. I just had the phone ring. And so you can see the calendar. I mean, they're pretty full. They have a lot of cool stuff going on. And then the new function is the map. Let's see. They say the map's off about 10 miles for privacy, but these show the members in the group and where they're located. So this is a really cool function because you can actually now reach out to these people and actually kind of get to know them and say, hey, I'm in your area, or hey, I've been here. I think we should connect and talk. So it's a really cool, another way to get, used to someone else and to be able to talk to someone. And the school just added that. Leaderboards. This is, basically, how you move through this school group. Level 1, level 2, all the way up to level 9. And every time you hit a new level, you get, you unlock, whether it's recordings, you're able to post to the feeds, cool school community secrets, access to the 100% commission affiliate programs. You get level 6, you get a premium AI masterclass. Level 7, you get a one-on-one call mastermind session, which is really awesome. You get premium giveaway rights at level 8, which is awesome. And then at level 9, you get a free access to the elite group, which is really cool. And the elite group, I've had some previous videos on this, is their paid version of the group, which kind of just is like the next level to this group. It kind of goes in the advanced strategies, which is an awesome group as well. So you can see the leaderboards. We have a 7-day leaderboard. We have a 30-day and the all-time leaderboard. Guess who's up here? Yep, me. Thanks. So this is a really awesome feature. Now you got the about section like we saw earlier. It kind of just goes into what you're going to get. So yeah, guys, this is the Super Affiliate Academy free group. I think it's totally worth it. And what can you lose? It's free. So if you want to check it out, definitely check out the link down below, and just give it a run through. Definitely hit the classroom once you come in. Hit me up, let me know you're in here. But definitely check out the link below. If you want to jump straight to the elite group, there's going to be a link for that too. Both groups are awesomely great. So yeah, I hope to see you here. And just let me know. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks.